guys both had it equals.
What is that all together?
Yeah, first, it doesn't equal 4. Because how many tiles do we have all together?
This square, if it equals more than just the one, this is the one here.
2 plus 2 plus 2, right? So here's the equation. I love how you have this set up right here. But I want you to write next to it, which one is columns, which one is rows. Same for you and Durham. Which equation is columns, which equation is rows?
What does it combine?
Okay. You guys are the last one that I need to come to before I... Okay, you made it. Good. This is a great array. This is a great array. I'm gonna ask you. Tell me, Zaya, how many rows are in this array you guys have? Let me ask her, how many rows? 2 rows. Zaya, nice job. 2 rows. I see it. Row 1, row 2. Khalid, how many columns? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, buddy. 5 columns. 2 rows, 5 columns.
Right.
All right. Here's my question. What was the equation for rows? What is your equation for rows? Okay, oh, so you have 2 equations. Okay, I see. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I see 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 10. Which of these equations represents the rows? The 5s, because there's 5 tiles in each row. 5 here, 5 here.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Nice. Good, there's a 5 and a 5. That's for the rows. So I'm going to write the word row up here for you. This represents our rows. So if this represents the addition equation for rows, what does this represent?
The tiles?
Not the tiles. This number here is going to represent the total number of tiles. But these numbers represent what? What is our other word aside from rows for our array? Rows and columns. This equation represents columns. Can you say that, Khalid?
Columns.
It represents columns.
So do we
Can you say that for me?
columns?
It represents columns. This is amazing. Can you put this in your notebook? Can you put this in your notebook?
I already put it.
You have the equation, but I need to see the picture that matches.
Oh, the picture?
Yeah. Nice work on that. Yeah, this was amazing.
Are we supposed to erase this?
Not yet.
Hey, you can put it like... Are you going to come back?
Yeah, I'm going to ask you a question.
We gotta do this. We put in zero.
Good, if you can stop, if you would stop.
All right, eyes up here. That wasn't everybody. Eyes up here.
Eyes up here.
Nice job. So, even though everyone built their arrays, it might be different. Think about this question. You can look at what you built. What do you notice about the 2 equations? What do you notice about the 2 equations? Hold on, I'm gonna wait for James. I didn't mean to clean up or anything. I'm just asking a question. Look at your picture. What do you notice about the 2 equations? So the equation that you came up with for the rows and the equation that you came up with for the columns, what do you notice about them? I didn't have just one group working on this. Everybody in here was working on it. What do you notice about the 2 equations? You have 2 equations here. What do you notice about that? You got 2 equations here. What do you notice about it?
Let's write it on notebook.
No, I'm waiting for people thinking. I know people are thinking and then you raise about the two equations? Khalid, loud and proud.
They all have different numbers.
Okay, so there's different numbers. That's one thing I noticed. Yeah. The numbers that were repeated are not the same. What else do you notice? Saria?
I noticed everybody getting.
Nope, just about these two equations right here that are on your desk. Don't worry about anybody else's. What do you notice about them?
People might not have the same answer.
Well, we all did different ones, but what do you notice about these equations?
They have the same answer.
They have the same total. Use that word, that math word. They have the same total. They have the same total. Saria said they have the same total. They have the same answer. So the equation that she has on her desk right now says 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 12. That's one. And then the other one says 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Why do they have the same total? Why is it the same total? You added 3 plus 3 equals 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Why is the total the same? There's two different equations there. Why is the total the same? It's two different equations. Why is the total the same? Look at your array. What do you see? Arian. I saw you thinking. I know you're thinking. Khalid, he's trying to share his thoughts with us, so we gotta listen. You want me to ask again? You forgot what you were gonna say? It's okay. Why are the answers the same? The equations are different. How's yours says 3 plus 3 equals 6, then it says 2 plus 2 equals 6. Why are the answers the same? Why do you think the answers are the same?
Because it's like the same thing.
The total number equals
6.
6. So even though, Khalid, I want you to listen to this. Even though we wrote an equation for rows and we wrote an equation for columns, the total number of tiles is the what? The same. The total number of tiles in this array is the same. So even though you have two different equations, the total number of tiles is the same. We're going to be cleaning up soon, but I'm going to come and check in your notebook. I want to see at least one array with two equations. If you didn't do that yet, you need to do that now. If you have done that already, you may start to clean up. You need to get, you did it on the desk, so you can put it in your notebook. In a minute when we clean up. Khalid and Zaya, good job. I saw that in your notebook. Zaya, I'm going to check yours. Notebook's out. Put it in the notebook first, and then you will clean up.
Oh, then we
Put it in the notebook, and then we'll clean up there because we don't want to lose this. Because it's here for you, right here. You have the two equations, and you have the array. Nope, we did this together. So you both are going to draw this in your notebook, and you both are going to write these two equations.
Okay.
With a pencil, this is for desk. With your pencil, this is for desk. Thank you. With a pencil, these are for desks.